Jurors in the capital murder trial of Tanner Horner got a break today after sitting through graphic audio recordings of 7-year-old Athena Strand's last moments yesterday. Horner faces the death penalty after pleading guilty to the Wise County girl's kidnapping and murder. Our Andrea Lucia joins us live with an update on what's going on. Andrea.
Yeah, Karen, the jury got to stay home today, but the judge and attorneys were in court this morning. The state rested its case yesterday after playing hours of video and audio captured by cameras in the FedEx truck Horner was driving. They showed him putting 7-year-old Athena Strand in his truck, and they played audio of him assaulting her. Now it's going to be the defense's turn to make their case. Monday and Tuesday, they'll be presenting 8 expert witnesses that they would like to have testify. The judge will need to confirm that they are qualified to speak as experts on issues relevant to the trial. Today, we went through that same process with an expert witness the prosecution would like to call to rebut or to counter what they expect the defense is going to claim.
So, Andrea, do we know what the defense will argue?
Yeah, well, this is the penalty phase of the trial where the death penalty is on the table. So the defense is trying to get the jury to spare Horner and give him the only alternative sentence here, life in prison. So they're going to present evidence not of his innocence, but of any mitigating circumstances they feel exist. And we may hear from Horner's family about challenges he's faced in his life. When it comes to expert witnesses, we expect to hear about potential psychiatric or psychological conditions. We heard today from the prosecution's own forensic psychiatrist who may have a different diagnosis.
Andrea, the jury is back, though, on Wednesday.
Yeah, that's right. And any of the expert opinions that we heard today or that we will hear on Monday and Tuesday are going to have to be repeated in the presence of the jury. It is a long trial we expect to go through the end of the month.
All right, but we will stay on top of it. Thank you very much.